1, 2, 3, 4.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's another haul video for you, and everything I bought except for one, tama ba, is under 260 pesos except for one item. I'm so excited to share everything with you, but before we continue the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If yung una kong IKEA vlog was for things that I really needed, now I bought things that I don't really need but I wanted. Oh my gosh, hulog kasi. The first thing I bought is this coffee canister. It's so nice, very aesthetic again. I'm gonna open it for you. Para sealed talaga yung coffee. Ayan, so nice. And then the next one naman is, can you guess, I bought a potato masher kasi I like mashed potatoes and hindi ako makagawa dito because I don't have a masher. So, I bought a masher. And, oh nga pala, hi Ava! So, since request ni Ava na sabihin ko daw yung mga price, this is 202.5 pesos. And this one naman is 162 pesos. 162 for this aesthetic canister, going once, going twice. And the next one is, I bought another mixing bowl, pero yung smaller mixing bowl kasi masyadong malaki yung mixing bowl na nabili ko. And wala lang, ang sarap mag-prepare ng food or ng cut vegetables kapag may bowl na ganito gaan. Tapos hindi siya, actually gusto ko ng glass, pero yung glass kasi ang bigat, parang napapagod na ako maghugas ng pinggan. Ito sobrang dali lang and hindi ka pa matatakot mabasag. So, I really love like yung mga stainless steel na ganito. And ang sarap maka-chef feels kasi di ba ganito yung mga ginagamit nila sa restaurant. So, this is 202.50 pesos. The next one naman na I bought is this one. This one, nung pagkabayad ko, sabi ko, oh my gosh, meron akong more than 500 pesos na binili. Pero, gusto ko kasi ng may tanong strainer. So nice. This strainer is 526.5 pesos. Hindi na rin masama. So, the next one is this rug. Oh my gosh. Super mura lang niya. And ito yung quality. Actually, gusto ko kasi ng beachy feels. Yung parang clean feels, pero may pagka-beach ng konti. Kasi, I super miss Bali. Tapos parang naaano ko na, sayang hindi ko binili yung mga ganito sa Philippines. Sana ang dami kong binili na sa Dapitan Arcade. It's 256 pesos. Okay na. I mean, for me, namamahalan ako, pero okay na siya. So, the next one naman is, this is actually, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like a carafe. But anyway, this is for drinking water or whatever. Ang ganda, diba? But I'm planning to make it as a vase. So, I have this dried lavender from Nuki. Hello. So, ang ganda lang ng effect. Like, ay, masyado palang malalim, pero wait lang. Snooki, ba't kasi hindi mas mataas yung binili mo? Joke lang. Kasi guys, ito yung nilagyan ko, pero maganda rin naman na nag-recycle. Diba, Jeff? Very, very mura lang. 94.5 pesos. So, the next thing I bought, hay nako, parang nagsisisi ako na bumili ako ng plants. I bought like 6 kinds of plants. Nahuhulog yung lupa from the pot, so I felt the need to buy pots. And since nagpapaka-aesthetic tayo at nagpapakagastos, I bought different kinds of pots. This is the first pot that I bought. This is 200, ang mahal pala, 256. 256 pesos. Nasa huli talaga ang pagsisisi. But, ang ganda niya, diba? And I have this English ivy here. Tapos try natin. Ay, ang ganda. I love it. So, yan. Ang ganda niya against a white backdrop, right? So, that's the first pot that I bought. Bumili din ako nito kasi gusto ko rin ng clear bowl, like if I want to eat yung mga quinoa, tas may mga greens. Mas gusto ko sana na mas circular yung shape niya, but walang available. So, ganito na lang yung binili natin. I think it's okay din naman. The next one naman I bought is this bowl, but I'm going to use it as a pot. This is like a bowl for food. Ayan. For food yan. Ang cute niya, swear. Like, I really love it. Ay, wait lang. So, this pala is 67.5. This is 94.5. Okay, Ava. So, this is the bowl that I'm gonna use as a pot Kasi mukha naman talaga siyang pot. Di siya mukhang bowl, okay? Lalagyan ko siya ng itong English ivy. Tingnan natin. Pwede na rin, pero it doesn't work. Peace lily pala tong isa. I think ito na lang. Hindi siya nag-work. For now, dito ko muna ilalagay si Peace Lily for peace in the world. World peace, guys. Diyan muna kahit hindi naman bagay. So, I bought another pot and this pot is so cute and it is also... Ano pala ng mga pot na nabili ko? It's 256 pesos, guys. Ano ba itong mga pinagbibili ko? Let's see, it's so cute. So, this is the pot that I'm planning to put this in. Tingnan natin kung... Ang mahal. Pero hindi kasha. Ano ba to? Baka totally repot ko na lang. Kasi ayoko na umeffort na tanggalin sila sa pot. So, siguro ito munang Peace Lily. Oh, ang cute! 256 peso pot for this Peace Lily for peace in the world. So, those are my IKEA purchases. Now, let's go on to my other purchases na Daiso! So, sa Daiso, madami talagang mahahanap. Like, I'm so happy sa mga nahanap ko. My first Daiso purchase is, this is only 94.5 pesos. Actually, halos lahat to, 94.5 pesos. Nakita ko to sa IKEA, hindi ko binili kasi sabi ni Nuki, hindi ko naman daw kailangan, tapos hindi naman daw maganda. Pero nakita ko siya sa Daiso, so I had another reason to buy it. Kaya ko to gusto kasi gustong-gusto ko nang nagsosort. Actually, lalagyan to ng plato. Pero sa IKEA, advertised siya as like a sorter of some sort. Sobrang hilig ko mag-sort. Like, pero hindi ako ganun ka-organized. So, gusto ko na, ayan, nakaganyan or naka-display na ganito. Like, I like seeing things. Ayan. Kasi I don't like to keep things kasi hindi ko makikita. Ako lang nang naka-showcase para it's nice. I don't know with you, girl, but I love writing like this. By the way, guys, this is such a good book, especially if you want to live a creative life or if you're scared about pursuing your creative pursuits in life. This is like a must read, and I really love how Elizabeth Gilbert has written this book. It's an easy read. Hindi ganun ka-flowery yung words. Like, it's just straight to the point and it's just like a friend talking to you. I highly recommend this book to anyone who wants to live a creative life. Next one I bought is this makeup brush cleaner. It's 100-something pesos. And then the next one I bought is blending scissors. It's 121.5 pesos. I want a kitchen timer. I don't want to touch my phone. It works! So let's say 5 seconds. Start. 5. Ang cute! Tas ang mura lang! Ang cute niya! Pero, like, how do you turn it off? Can you turn it off? I don't think it can be turned off. So when you reset it, so like seconds and then you start. There and then stop. So if you want to reset it, you just press both buttons. But I don't know how to turn it off, or maybe it doesn't turn off. So sayang yung battery. I never thought I'd buy something like this, and I didn't even know that this existed until just recently. And it is the V60 Coffee Dripper. I bought a V60 because I actually was using this parang coffee dripper from Nuki. Like, I borrowed it from her and I really love the taste of coffee. I actually love it more than coffee from a French press. That's why I'm so happy that I didn't buy a French press kasi parang sobrang mas masarap pala yung coffee drip. For me, I really love the taste of it. So that's why I convinced myself to buy a V60 kasi ang sarap talaga ng lasa. So I bought a plastic one kasi sobrang layo ng difference. Yung glass is like 1,000 plus and this is 391.5 pesos. So it's like way cheaper. And I'm so happy because my friend Lee, hi babe! My friend Lee, he told me actually mas okay daw talaga yung plastic, yung glass or yung ceramic. Ina-absorb niya yung heat. And when you use a V60 na glass or ceramic, kailangan super duper hot ng water. Pero kung plastic, okay lang na hindi right away boiling kasi hindi niya agad na-absorb yung heat. And the temperature of your water makes a whole lot of difference dun sa result ng taste ng coffee mo. I hope that made sense. Basta. Let's open it. This is my V60. It's actually like a black of this and no, like a clear one or ano. Basta, pero ang ganda nung pagka-red nito. It comes with this, like its instructions, ganyan. And then it comes with this one. Sobrang ganda. Meron siyang measurements na 8 grams, 10 grams, and 12 grams. So, 12 grams is the recommended measurement for like a single espresso shot. This is the V60. Ayan, ang ganda, diba? It doesn't look cheap. It doesn't look plastic. Like, hanggang ngayon, kahit hawak ko siya at alam kong plastic siya, whenever I look at it, it doesn't look like it's plastic. So, hindi siya chippy. I really love it. I've only used this one. Syempre, binox ko lang for presentation purposes. It's durable. It's easy to wash. And it's so nice. And I love it. It changed my coffee life. Do you want me to do a giveaway? It's actually my birthday and I'm feeling so generous. If you want me to do a giveaway, please do let me know what kind of giveaway would you like me to do. And if you're like game for it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. God bless.